KRC20 tokens have been launched a few days ago, and in today's video we're going to cover the most important news and features that you need to know in order to be successful with KRC20 tokens. Let's go. First of all, we're going to check out the Kaspa chart, and we can see nothing. We can't see a huge spike, we can't see a price increase, like a big price increase. We just see a regular sideways movement, and this is not what a lot of people anticipated, because a lot of people anticipated once the KRC20 tokens go live that the price will skyrocket, but it didn't happen. So if we check out the chart, we can see the regular spikes that we've seen before. We can see the spike here at the end of June when the KRC20 tokens were supposed to launch. This is where we have seen a spike. Then we've seen another spike here, and then there was a stock exchange crash like 2 months ago, and now we have seen a sideways movement. If we check out the monthly chart, we can see we are just doing a regular sideways movement. We had just a little bit of a price increase over here when the KRC20 tokens were launched, but nothing spectacular yet. Why is that? Because Kaspa is still doing groundbreaking work. If we check out the Kaspa Twitter channel, we can see that there are a lot of offline meetings where Kaspa is joining. They have like a lot of conferences. They have a lot of meetings with the developers, with the founders, with the team. They have also like some congresses where they join and where they talk about Kaspa here, for example, or here they have like a Kaspa information, how you can say it, information bay, where they inform the people about Kaspa. So they're doing a lot of different work, which is like ground level work, which is spread the word about Kaspa, making sure everybody knows about Kaspa. So this is like what they do regularly from the Kaspa side. And this is one reason why we haven't seen a price increase yet, probably because they're still doing the groundwork, the infrastructure for that. But also because a lot of money went into the KRC20 tokens itself instead of Kaspa. And the people who are coming into Kaspa network for the KRC20 tokens will come later on, and they have to buy Kaspa, and then we will see a price increase. So if we check out the Kasplex Twitter channel, remember Kasplex is the project that is responsible for the KRC20 tokens. If we check out the Kaspa Twitter channel, we can see here that the countdown for the KRC20 projects, for the KRC20 launch, then they did the countdown here. It was successful. So Kasplex KRC20 has arrived on the mainnet on September 15th. And then we have seen a lot of transactions here. They have seen a lot of Kaspa gas fees that were paid within the first 24 hours once they launched the KRC20 tokens. So this was like a really successful launch for KRC20 now, and everything worked like as perfect. That's why I'm doing the video today, because I wanted to wait a few days to see if it works out this time and not like be over enthusiastic like last time and then they failed. So this is why I waited a few days for the video to update you guys. But yeah, everything they hoped for got like successful. It worked all out. So yeah, Kasplex KRC20 tokens are now live. Now it's the question, do we see an increase of transactions or wallets happening for the Kaspa ecosystem? And yeah, we can see that. If we check out kaspalytics.com and then we go on the active addresses, go on all, we can see that we have seen a huge increase in active addresses here on June 30th, beginning of July. And remember, this was the day where they were supposed to launch the KRC20 token. So this is where a lot of people got involved with KRC20 tokens before. And now they had like the failed start. Everybody's prepared for the new KRC20 token launch. And now you can see that the number increased again to over 90,000 active wallets. So yeah, this is like a huge increase, bigger than last time because more people got involved now. And we can see the active addresses, they have been ramping up. It has been still on a high number. So it was not just like, okay, we are launching, everything is going up, and then, okay, 2 days later it's gone again. No, we can see that it has been increasing from 20,000 to minimum like 55,000. Or no, what is this? Yeah, 55,000. But the average here, I would say, is like 65,000. So we see a 3x in the active addresses, which later probably lead to a higher price as well. This is the same as with the transactions, so you can check out the analytics here as well for the transactions if you want to. And now the question is, where can you find the information about the KRC20 tokens? Because yeah, we can see addresses have been ramping up, a lot of people are coming into it, and there's this website kas.fyi, And this website gives you a KRC20 token dashboard where you can check out all the KRC20 tokens that are listed here on this website. And you can rank them by price. You can rank them by the volume, the trading volume. You can rank them by the market cap. But this is like on-chain data. And sometimes if you click on it, there will be some errors. For example, here, if you excuse me, if you click on the highest market cap, you will see a token which has a huge market cap. But then if you check the trading volume, okay, yeah, there's no volume. So you do one trade, which is like super expensive, and then the market cap is like blown up. But if there's no volume, no liquidity behind it, like it's nonsense. So that's why you have to look out for projects which have a trading volume as well as a high market cap. For example, Nacho is the #1 KRC20 token project so far. And this is where you can find then reliable data. So I'm going to check out the volume again here, the list of the volume, because this is the ranking that I like the most. And this information is important for you because here you can see which projects have a lot of volume, a lot of trading volume, because these are the projects that you can buy or that you should buy. So yeah, this is what I would look out for. And now the question is, where can you buy the tokens? Right now, there's no exchange for KRC20 tokens. There's only a Kaspa bot that you can use, but there's no exchange, no DEX, no SEX right now. There's like nothing that you can use right now if you want to buy the tokens except the Telegram bot. And if you click on the Telegram bot here, you get directed to the Telegram bot, and I've opened it here. Once you contact the Telegram bot, the regular bot, it will say, okay, here is the official Telegram bot for the ecosystem, and you can click start, and then you have to choose between 10 different bots, and you have to choose which one you want to use. You should use a bot with like a 0 or with like the least amount of people using it. And then you can say, okay, refresh the data, or I want to generate 10 wallets. If you click on generate 10 wallets, it will generate to you 10 wallets with 10 private keys, because you need those if you want to connect with the bot in the next page. So if you click on one of the bots, I just did it here, you click on the bot, you click on start, and then it will show you welcome to Kaspa bot #1 mainnet. Here's a rundown of the main commands. So you have the balance, the mint, deploy, transfer, send, trending, marketplace, referral. And then you have to import your wallet or generate a new wallet here. And then you can start working with the bot, and then you can like check your balance. You can buy the tokens here. You can choose between the different KRC20 tokens and that you want to buy. You can tell them how much you want to buy, what the current price is, all the information is there. I'm going to do a new video within the probably next couple of days where I will actually use the bot, and I will show you exactly how to use the bot and how you can get updates on that as well. And yeah, this is the main way for you to buy the KRC20 tokens. And then there's also the CAT scan. This is like the Kaspa or like the BSC scan or the Ether scan for KRC20 tokens. And if you click on catscan.xyz, then you can click on all tokens. And here you find all the different KRC20 tokens that just have been launched. You can see here the date. So pretty much like every half an hour, like every 20 minutes, half an hour, a new KRC20 token is being launched. So you can see here all the different launches here. So a lot of launches. And yeah, you can see the status of the launch type, like a fair mint, a pre-mint, completed, stuff like that, and all the different information. And then you can check out, if you see a project that you like, you can check it out here on this dashboard as well to verify the information. And then later on, you can purchase the tokens with the Telegram bot. So yeah, I think this is like the more of the general information that you need to know about KRC20 tokens for now. I'm going to put all the different websites down below in the video description. But if you have any questions regarding the general information, then write them down in the comments below, and I will be doing a video series in the next couple of days where I will buy some KRC20 tokens that will show you exactly how to do it, what to take care of, how to use the Telegram bot, etc, etc. So yeah, if you have any questions, write them down below in the comments. And other than that, have a good day. Bye bye.